It's really amazing and nice view, and it's afternoon time in Cameron Highlands, Malaysia. State is Pahang. I really love this place. It's really beautiful. It's really amazing. Really nice. This is really nice if you are nature lover. Then you should visit this. It's just near from Kuala Lumpur, 5 hour by bus. And if you're driving, maybe it's 3 hour and a half for driving a private car. So it's really nice place to be here to visit. It's really amazing. Let me show you around. Continue watching. This is a tea. Situation is not really so good to walk here. Let's try. Wow, it's amazing. Can feel the enjoy. Can feel the nature sound and can see the nature so closely. This is amazing. Peace of mind, and it's so relaxing. Incredible. Can see the nature from close. Wow, it's so lovely. Oh, it's amazing. This is a tea farm at Cameron Highland. I'm walking back to my hotel from tea factory Cameron Highland. It was just there. The view is really nice and weather is so beautiful. I'm really enjoying this view. It's incredible. It's amazing. It's lovely. It's outstanding. What I can see live here cannot show you from the camera. Wow, it's amazing. This is really amazing. Walaikum assalam. The guy passed by, he says salam to me. I'm just walking beside the road. The road is really congested because of the mountain. However, it's not so difficult. It's awesome. Wow. It's like heaven on earth. This is a piece of paradise, I can say that. Anywhere you look around, it's just a tea. Beautiful greenery is amazing. Nice weather. Right now is rainy season, so it's not so sunny days. Little bit cloudy and little bit rain. However, it's still amazing. Beautiful. 100 out of 100. What a beautiful nature, amazing. Can hear the sound of birds, sound of water, and nature so lovely. Wow, I'm really blessed, Alhamdulillah. I got this chance. Wow, living in Kuala Lumpur is so congested, crowdy, and concrete jungle. noisy pollution. So sometime it's nice to go for some vacations, going to see the nature. I love traveling to the beach. However, it's rainy season now, so I got no much choice to go. So I just came to Cameron Highlands. Once in a month I have a travel plan. I'll be traveling to somewhere every month, once in a month. I love traveling. Since 2018 I have started traveling. Oh, that's farming. Awesome, nice. He's focusing on the road, but it's cool. Wow. It's around 7 kilometers from my hotel to here, so it's nice walk and lovely nature. Wow, amazing. Look at the view. Wow. What a view, man. Come on. Amazing, mashallah. Amazing view. As I said, I cannot show you exactly what I can see from my eyes. Camera cannot record this nature. Wow. It's like a paradise. What a beautiful, what amazing. Far away you can see all green. Beautiful. Even this side up there also is a tea. So nice. So amazing, so lovely. Wow. Wow. Speechless, man. It's amazing. वाह क्या सीन है, वो बात याद आ गई. मतलब इतना ज़बरदस्त व्यू है, माशाअल्लाह, क्या बात है, सुभान अल्लाह. कैमरन हाईलैंड बहुत ही खूबसूरत जगह है मलेशिया में. वैसे तो मलेशिया पूरा बहुत खूबसूरत है, लेकिन कैमरन हाईलैंड की बात ही अलग है. कल मैंने वन डे ट्रिप किया था बुक टूरिस्ट का. वो टूरिज़म सेंटर वाले करते हैं यहाँ पे, वो काफ़ी चीज़ों पे लेके जाते हैं. तो आज मेरा दिल कर रहा है मैं खुद वॉक करूँ. बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त व्यू है, क्या ही बात है. जी साईं, हे आहे कैमरन हाईलैंड मलेशिया. ऐं मलेशिया कोलालमपुर में रहंदो आहियां, हिते कमु कंदो आहियां. सो कॾहिं कॾहिं छुट्टीअ ते निकिरी ईंदो आहियां किथे घुमण, कंहिं महिल किथे घुमण. हिते मलेशिया में ई कैमरन हाईलैंड तमामु मशहूरु आइलैंड आहे. हिननि जी पहाड़नि ते आहे मथे, जीअं पाकिस्तान में कोमरी आहे या सिंध में आहे गोरख हिल, ईअं ई हिते. पर हिते घणी फार्मिंग थींदी आहे चांहि जी. ये सब चांहि आहे, जेका बि ग्रीन सब्ज़ी तव्हांखे लॻे थी, ये सभु चांहि आहे. व्यूज़ तमामु बहितरीनु आहिनि, तमामु बहितरीनु. छा त नज़ारा आहिनि, सुभान अल्लाह. वाह मुंहिंजा मालिक, तुंहिंजी क्रिएशन आहे, सुभान अल्लाह. What amazing creation of Allah, subhanallah. What a lovely, it's amazing. Wow, there's water coming from mountain. I'm wondering how the farmers are working here, the labor. Look at this up. It's really dangerous. How they can go up and cut this tea. Wow. Amazing, lovely, and so beautiful. Let's go. See you in next video. ओके भाई लोग, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. जब तक देखते रहिए, वीडियो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द यूट्यूब चैनल. सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो.